Welcome, welcome back to my channel. I want to congratulate you as you're going to write your first Python program today. So, before writing a Python program, you need to know what is Python and why Python. So, Python is an interpreted, object oriented, high level programming language with dynamic semantics. And Python is really very simple and easy to learn, and its syntaxes are really very simple compared to other programming languages. Often programmers fall in love with Python because there is no compilation step and the edit, test, and debug cycle is incredibly fast, and debugging is really simple because it uses interpreter. So before writing your first Python program, you need to know print function. So the print function prints the specified message to the screen or other standard output device. The message can be a string or any other object. The object will be converted into a string before return to the screen. So I'll show it to you. I'll open my notepad, text editor you can see. Here I'm going to write my Python code, just printing hello world message, and whatever message you want to display has to be enclosed in double quotes. Now you will save this Python file. Python file has to be saved using .py extension. I will save this with demo1.py. Now I'll go to my command prompt in order to execute that file. I'll change my directory to desktop as the file is saved in desktop. Now Python space file name, it was demo1.py, and enter. As you can see, hello world has got printed. Now you need to understand the comments in Python. Comments can be used to explain Python code, or comments can be used to make your code more readable. And comments always start with hash in Python, and Python interpreter will ignore them. So when you want to comment more than one line, like multi-commenting, there is no such multi-commenting in Python. If you want to comment more than one line, then you just need to add hash in front of every single line that you want to comment out. I will show this demo also to you. I'll go to same file and I'll write print hello world once again. Now I'll show the execution of this file first. If I try to run this file, it will execute hello world for two times, like hello world and hello world. I will comment the second one. Now if I execute, only one time it has got executed. So this is commenting in Python, which makes your code more readable, more understandable. So thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Until then, happy coding.